Good morning, students. Welcome to day 20 class. Already we started mensuration lesson. Successfully we have completed perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, and we discussed formulas also. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle means? Yes, perimeter P of R is equal to 2 bracket length plus breadth bracket complete. This is perimeter of rectangle formula. Another one is perimeter of square formula. P of S is equal to 4 into length. 4 into length. This is we should call perimeter of square formula. Another one we already discussed area. What is the area? Area means what? Already we discussed the definition and all of you wrote that definition also. Okay. This coming Friday your school will be reopen. That's why you have to practice all lessons definitions. It is very important. What is fraction? What is decimal? What is proper fraction? What is improper fraction? And what is mixed fraction? And what is mensuration? What is perimeter? And what is area? It is very important because of this is 1 marks question. Understand? Okay. Then what is area? Who is telling what is area? Yes. Area means which figure occupy how much place, that is the area of that figure. Which figure you take, for example, that textbook, this whiteboard enclosed. Whiteboard enclosed how much space, that is we should call area. Understand? We are sitting means sitting on the bench means how much place we occupy enclosed, that is we should call area. Already we discussed area of rectangle formula. Area of rectangle formula and we solved some problems also. Yes or no? Then what is the area of rectangle formula? Area of rectangle formula is length A of R is equal to length into breadth. This is the area of rectangle formula. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about area of square. Area of square. Now already yesterday class we discussed area of rectangle. Now this class we are going to discuss area of square. Okay. Now square means all sides should be equal length. This is called square figure. All sides should be equal length means it is the here to here. What is that? It is length. This is also same length means it is also length. Understand? This is we should call area. This figure area this is. Because this length is 4 centimeter means all sides should be 4 centimeter. Because square figure means the given sides should be equal measurement, that is we should call square figure. That's why we are writing there A of S is equal to, what is the formula? Area of square. Area of square formula length into length. What is that? Length into length. That's why we are calling area of square is equal to length into length. This is we should call area of rectangle, area of square formula. Understand? And this figure length is how much? 4 centimeter. But we don't know this is area. How much place this figure should be occupied? We don't know. That is the area we are finding. First of all, you should write square figure length. Square figure length. Square figure length is equal to 4 centimeter. Understand? Then square figure length is equal to 4 centimeter. Square figure area is equal to, you know that we don't know means that is question mark. That is question mark. Then you have to write here A of S is equal to L into L. This is the short form. Length, the short form is L. L into L. Then A is equal A of S is equal to length how much? 4 centimeter. Into as it is you should keep there. Then again length how much? 4 centimeter. Okay. Then A of S is equal to 4 4 how much? 16 square centimeter. Area we should represent which unit? Square unit. Square unit we are representing area. Understand? Okay. All of you take that headline. This headline how to write. Afterwards this one write and that figure you should draw. Afterwards this one and this one you should write. Okay. This is your question. Second one, find the area of a square plot of side 8 meters. This is very simple question. This is very simple question. You have to understand. Find the area of a square plot. One plot is there. That plot means that is site. Jaga, khali jaga अंदर मेरी तरह. That is site. That site. Which type of site is there? This is one square type of site is there. Upside. Side means length. One side, 2, 3, 4. This is 4-sided figure. Understand? Then this figure side is 8 meter. Then what is the area? This one we should know. Then you have to find this area. This is one plot is there. If this is khali jaga is there. If khali jaga the length is there 8 meter. Then what is the area this should be occupied? Because one side is 8 meter means all sides should be 8 meter only, because square figure means all sides are same length. That's why that is 8 meter. One side length means all sides should be 8 meter. First of all, you should write what is given there. You have to write here square plot length is 8 meter. Square plot length is 8 meter. Then area question mark. Area question mark. Okay. Now formula area of S is equal to A of S is equal to length into length, because side means same, side into side also you should write, length into length also you should write, no problem. That formula side and length should be same. That side A of S is equal to length, how much is there? 8 meter. You should write 8. Then multiplication. Length again you should write same 8 meter. Then 8 is a 64. 8 is a 64 square meter. It is very important. Compulsory. You should mention there square unit. Compulsory you should mention there square unit. You mention square unit, that is we will call area. But otherwise you only wrote there meter, that is not a area. You should consider that is perimeter. Understand? Okay. A of S is equal to 64 square meter. Okay. All of you write down this one. Write fast. Next question, your exercise 10.3 problems. They given 7th one problem. Now I am going to solve page number 87. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters? How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room. Okay, listen that problem. What is given there? This is your exercise 10.3 problem, page number 87. All of you open there, and 7th one problem I am going to discuss now. All of you open your textbook and also Fairbook. Now a room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. Okay, but you consider that room is which angle, that is a rectangle or square, but they are given long and wide. Long and wide means breadth. Long and wide, length and breadth is given there. That is rectangle figure. Okay. This type of rectangle room is there. That room length is 4 meter and breadth is 3 meter and 50 centimeter is there. You should consider one is given meter, another one is given meter and centimeter also. Okay. Otherwise, you should consider you have to convert meter to centimeter. But I wrote here only one short form. M means meter, cm means centimeter. Okay. Then 1 meter equal to 100 cm. 4 into 100, 400 cm. Okay, 400 centimeter. Length. First of all, room length. Long means length. 400 centimeter room length is there, then breadth how much? You should convert. 3 meter 50 centimeter is there. 1 meter equal to 100 cm. Then 3 into 100, 300 plus 50 is equal to 350 centimeter. Then room breadth is equal to 350 meter, not centimeter. In centimeter. Then this is room length and this is room breadth is given. But why? How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೂಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ರೂಮ್ ತುಂಬೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ನೈಸ್. That's why here we should cover that with carpet. But how much meter carpet we want, we don't know that one. That's why you have to write that. First of all, room length and room breadth is given there. But room area is question mark. Room area is question mark. Then length and breadth is given, means which formula is suitable to apply? You have to think. Yes, sir, here area of rectangle is given, means area of rectangle formula we want, sir. Okay, area of A of R is equal to length into length. Length into length. Then area of R is equal to length how much? 400 into 350. No. Length into breadth. L into B. Remember, sorry, L into B. 350. Okay. Then you have to multiply given there. 400 into 350. Then you have to do it here. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. Okay. Then 1 2 3 1 2 3. Then it is, because 5 4s are 20 means 1 0 is coming already, and yes, it is 14 lakh centimeter. It is 14 lakh. Area of R is equal to 14 lakh. 14 lakh centimeter. 14 lakh centimeter square cm. Then you have to do it here. 14 divided by 100. 10 10 10 10. 14,000 square meter. Okay, write down this one. That is not a 14 lakh, that is 1,40,000 square centimeter. 1,40,000 square centimeter. 1,400 square meter, that is. I have 1 0 extra, that is sorry. Okay, write down this one. Clearly all of you write that. Afterwards you have to write in your fair book. Okay. Next one, find the area of square figure. Find the area of square figure. Length is 14 meter. One square figure is there. That square figure length should be 14 meter is there. But we don't know this area. Understand? You have to think it this classroom. Length is 14 meter is there, but we don't know this area. How much place occupied this classroom? That one we should find out. Okay, 14 meter. Afterwards, first of all, what is given there? I have to write there. Square figure. Square figure length is equal to 14 meter. Square figure length is 14 meter. Then area of square figure is question mark. We don't know means question mark. Then A of S is equal to length into length, because this is the formula of area of square. Then A of S is equal to 14 into 14. 14 into 14. Then you have to multiply here 14 into 14. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. Then leave one place. 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 6 9 1. 196. A of S is equal to 196 square meter. 196 square meter. All of you write down this one. Today's homework is exercise 14.3 is there. Okay. Find the area of the rectangles whose sides are 3 cm, 4 cm, 12 meter, 21 meter, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. One time kilometer is there means you should write there square kilometer. That answer should be square kilometer. 2 meter, another one is 70 centimeter is there. Okay, then you don't think that you should 2 meter, you should convert into centimeter. This one you should find out, and find the area of the squares whose side is 10 cm, 14 cm, 5 cm. 14 cm already I wrote, I solved. This is the problem that is. Okay, and remaining 2 problems are there, you have to solve on. Then the length and breadth of 3 rectangles are as given below. Okay, length and breadth is also given there. You should find the area. Which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area? First of all, you should solve all problems. Afterwards, you have to write which is smaller and which is bigger. Okay. Then the area of rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Find the width. They are given garden length is given and area is given, but not given their width. You have to find that type problems already I solved. Then what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of Rs 8 per 100 square meter? Okay, this much 1 to 5 today's homework you have to solve, and remaining we are going to discuss tomorrow class. Okay, thank you. First of all, solve that problem.